In this video, you will see how luxury leather items are made from these cattle.
Make sure to subscribe to the Next Gen Process channel, as it brings you amazing videos like this one.
Easy now, keep it moving. Open gate 3. Check the spacing on the belt. Keep the salt level steady. Load these salted hides onto truck 4. They are going to the tannery. This batch is ready for main sorting.
Batch 45B crimson dye is approved.
The color consistency matches the reference. I'll log the 505 nanometer reading now.
Are these ready for stitching?
Yes, all the panels are accounted for and checked.
Check the grain on these brown pieces before stacking.
Yes, making sure they match the sample.
This full grain texture is exactly what we need for the new line.
The proportions of this lapel need to be more refined. A sharper angle, perhaps?
Starting with a basic structure for the new messenger bag. Focus on clean lines.
The stitching detail on the flap needs to be prominent, but not overstated. A subtle contrast thread.
I've integrated your feedback on the overall silhouette for the jacket.
It's much better. Now, about the cuff design. I was thinking a slightly wider snap closure.
The stitching needs to be reinforced right here on the pocket.
Yes, I've updated the 3D model to reflect that reinforcement.
Pay close attention to the stitching here.
The pocket placement on the 3D model looks correct now.
Yes, that subtle curve really improves the design.
We need to ensure the stitching on the pockets matches the leather grain exactly.
The color choice here is perfect.
What makes your cattle so special for quality leather?
It's the natural environment and our careful husbandry.
Did you scan the last pallet? Yes, they are all set for shipment to New York. Cross-reference the manifest with the box labels. This one goes to Section 3.
Got it. Secure that corner first.
Did you verify the leather handbag count for Section B? Yes, cross-referenced with the manifest. We are clear.